Hi guys, today I'm going to be opening this Electrical Spin Scrubber Pro. It's got 4 different tops, a round brush, corner brush, flat brush, and a sponge brush. And they're all used for different... So there's 3 pieces for the handle. It comes with charger right there. Comes with a C charger. So that's the top. Here's all the different heads. Corner one, the sponge, which you can take the sponge off and like switch it out for a different sponge, which is cool. I like that. A round one and a flat one. So it says, I'll put this together and I'll explain. The round brush is good for like curved areas like bathtubs. The corner brush, it says it's good for cleaning like corners and small holes. The flat brush is suitable for large areas like floors and tiles and glass. And then the sponge brush is good for cleaning like leather sofas and glassware and car waxings. That's what it says. So as you see, I got it together. It's got a nice handle. And we can interchange the tips. Okay. There you go. It's got a sweet spot. And then you press this on button. Whoa. Yeah. On and off. Let's try. We'll do the sponge. So as we can see, we sprayed our bathtub. It needs to be cleaned. As we can see, it's cleaned it so well, so fast. Best scrubber ever. Let's turn, we have the bathtub scrubber on the top because we're cleaning the bathtub. Oh man, look at that. Effortless. You don't have to bend over for your back. So to clean the top, you just take it off and you just rinse it under some water. And it's clean. All good to go. You can either put it away or put it back on. Whatever you'd like to do. I've got the links for the product right down below in the description box. Please like and subscribe for more reviews and demo videos. Thank you.